Afternoon all, just a quick video here. I fitted a 4H-Tech short shift kit to the Punto. It's pretty good. It significantly reduces the throw of the shifter and it's nice and precise. It feels like the short shift kit I had on a DC2 Integra a couple of years ago. Really precise, really nice feel to it. It's from a company called 4H-Tech, which are in the Netherlands. I think landed here it cost me about €130, I think, including postage. But it's a really high quality bit of kit. Now you can see it down there. Very simple to install, comes with instructions, very easy to install. Basically changes the pivot point. You can see the old one there, and very simple, very high quality bit of kit as well. Very easy to do, and totally transforms the drive of the car. Really no sloppiness in the gear change or in the shifter. Very easy to do. To make it a little easier on myself, I actually removed, you don't have to, you could probably get down there, but I removed the battery and the battery tray, and it just gave me an absolute acre of space to walk in. I had it done in about, I think about 20 minutes, and that was having a cup of coffee and a chat as well. So yeah, very easy to do and very worthwhile. They do it for a lot of different cars, and I think it's well worth the investment. There's actually a friend of mine who's got I think he's got an E46 M3. He's currently onto them, seeing if they do one for that. I'm not sure if they actually do, but he took one drive of mine and he wants one for his, because I think he was looking at a UUC one and it was just astronomical money. But that's it. If you like what you see, please subscribe and give the video a like. Thanks very much.